Hey friends, have you ever wondered if the mobile signals around us are actually harmful? We carry our phones everywhere, keep them in our pockets, sleep next to them, and even hold them close to our heads during calls. But do these signals have any effect on our health? Some people believe that mobile radiation can cause serious problems, while others say there's nothing to worry about. So today, let's break it down in a simple way and find out the truth. Our mobile phones use radio waves to send and receive signals. These are a type of radiation, but not the dangerous kind like X-rays or nuclear radiation. The radiation from mobile phones is called non-ionizing radiation, which means it doesn't have enough energy to damage our DNA or cells. However, because mobile phones are always with us, people wonder if long-term exposure to these signals might cause health issues. Many studies have been conducted to check if mobile signals can lead to diseases like cancer, brain damage, or heart problems. The good news is that, so far, no solid evidence proves that normal mobile phone use is harmful. Scientists have tested people who use phones for years, and they haven't found a direct link between mobile radiation and serious diseases. Some studies do suggest a small risk, but they also say that more research is needed to be completely sure. One common concern is whether mobile phones can cause brain tumors. Since we hold our phones close to our heads while talking, some people believe this could increase the risk. But scientists have found that brain cancer rates haven't gone up, even though mobile phone use has increased worldwide. If there was a strong connection, we would have seen a huge rise in cases by now. Some people also say that mobile signals can affect our sleep. Have you ever noticed that after using your phone for a long time before bed, you struggle to fall asleep? This isn't necessarily because of radiation. It's mostly due to the blue light from the screen. Blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, making it harder for you to sleep. To sleep better, it's best to avoid screens at least 30 minutes before bedtime. There are also reports of people feeling headaches, dizziness, or tiredness after using their phones for a long time. Some believe this is caused by mobile radiation, but studies haven't confirmed this. It's more likely that these issues come from staring at screens too much, poor posture while using phones, or spending long hours without a break. Taking regular breaks from your phone and sitting in a good position can help reduce these problems. One interesting fact is that mobile phones emit more radiation when the signal is weak. When you're in a place with poor network coverage, your phone works harder to connect to the nearest tower, increasing radiation levels. That's why it's a good idea to avoid making long calls in areas with a weak signal. Using earphones or the speakerphone function instead of holding the phone close to your head can also help reduce exposure. Now, what about heart health? Some research suggests that people who use their phones for too many hours a day might have a slightly higher risk of heart problems. But this isn't necessarily because of radiation. It's more likely due to an unhealthy lifestyle. People who spend hours on their phones often sit for long periods, get less exercise, and have irregular sleep patterns, which can lead to health issues over time. So, rather than worrying about radiation, it's more important to stay active and maintain a healthy routine. Another myth is that carrying your phone in your pocket can cause infertility in men. Some small studies have looked into this, but no clear proof has been found. However, if you're worried, you can simply keep your phone in your bag instead of your pocket. Small changes like this can make you feel more comfortable without any major effort. Many of us also wonder if mobile towers are dangerous. You might have seen people saying that living near a mobile tower can cause health issues. While it's true that mobile towers emit radiation, the levels are controlled and kept within safety limits. In fact, The radiation from a mobile tower is much lower than the radiation from a mobile phone held close to your head. So, if you're worried about exposure, reducing long phone calls is more effective than worrying about mobile towers. So, should we be scared of mobile signals? The simple answer is no. There is no strong evidence proving that mobile radiation causes serious health problems. At the end of the day, mobile phones are an incredible invention that makes our lives easier. Instead of fearing them, we should use them wisely. As long as we maintain a balanced approach, there's no need to worry about harmful effects. So friends, what do you think? Do you believe mobile radiation is dangerous? Or do you think it's just a myth? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more interesting discussions. See you in the next video.